invite my friends to tell us about food and agriculture.
I strengthen immune system, growth and development. My deficiency cause night blindness. Hi, I am vitamin B. I provide you help the process your body uses to get or make energy from the food you eat. My deficiency causes very. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. I am vitamin C. I provide you to protect cells and keeping them healthy. My deficiency causes scurvy. Thank you. I am vitamin D. I help your body to absorb calcium, which is one of the main building blocks for strong bone. My deficiency is liquids. I am vitamin E. I I pro- I provide you with I provide you vision and the health of your body. My deficiency causes muscle and nerve damage. Agriculture impacts society in many ways, supporting livelihoods through food, habitat, and jobs, providing raw material for food and other products, and building strength economies through trade. Agriculture in India started with the Indus Valley civilization around 25,000 BCE. It is mentioned in the history of India that rice and cotton were two crops that were cultivated in the Indus Valley. Through agriculture, grass irrigated crop area of 82.6 million hectares, i.e., 415.6 million acres, is the largest in the world. Our India is among the top three global producers of many crops, including wheat, rice, pulses, cotton, peanut, fruits, and vegetables. Other than this, our country leads to the contaminators of groundwater with nutrients, a chemical compound that in large concentrations is poisonous to human and animals. Hope the human understand this. Thank you. Today's new headlines are National News. Center may rise retirement age of scientists from 60 to 65. International News. Leader great in China from smaller green belt and road summit. Sports news. E-face spelling E-F-F-A-C-E meaning to remove typically by erasing or rubbing. Thank you and have a nice day.